Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E13, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. You need to start by opening Settings. In them, scroll down to access Privacy section. Now tap on Permission Manager and tap on one of those features that you wish to manage. I will go with Location. Now tap on one of your apps. In this case, Calendar. Finally, you can tap on the best option for you in order to apply it. Allow only when using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to go with the first one, so now when I click and tap on the back button, I can set calendar, just gain access to my device's location if I'm using this app. But you can always go back, pick any feature and look for an app that you wish to manage. I will go into Microphone to access my messages. Now tap on See All Messages Permissions instead and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!